Mobile application, the post-launch support. Time doesn't stand still after applications launch. User needs, interests, and opportunities continue to evolve. Like any other piece of software, applications require the following: regular bug fixes, feature tweaks, and updates. This is key because it helps the application to remain 100% relevant and operational. After each update, it is important to make sure that the application continues to behave properly. Key after-launch activities: maintenance and bug fixing. Bug fixing and maintenance are the most frequent and common. They are used to improve the usability of your application, make the experience of your users more engaging. Number 2, latest operation and enhanced support. To keep users supported with the latest operation system and enhanced updates, you need to implement features released with the bug fixing in one update. Competitor analysis. Keep an eye on the new features and new activities of the rivals. Have a regular analysis to add more and new exciting features that no application does have at that time. Promotions and campaigns. Design an awesome referral campaign. Incentivize the campaign whether you want your users to share an update from within your application or like and share your application's page on the social media. Marketing and branding. Solid marketing and branding of the application is as necessary. This can be achieved through download campaigns, social media campaigns, and viral content marketing.